Okay, today I'm going to explain why I think side clamps are more superior than the back clamps on screen printing presses. Alright, so if you look here at this one, we've got 3 images on here that we're actually using on the screen. So we were able to put 3 on the screen. I know you could probably do that on the back, but some things you couldn't do is we've got this one right here in the middle of the screen. And then we've got this one pretty much near the top of the screen. The other one will flip over. It'll be for a sleeve print. Well, the thing about a side clamp is, as you can see, we're this far back from the head. And we still have plenty of room. We can slide it a little bit more. We don't have all the clamp engaged, but we do have it enough where it's good enough to hold. With the side clamp, you're able to do that. You can slide it forward and backwards and not have to worry too much about how the screen's going to fit in there and how it's going to adjust out. You don't have to bring your images perfect, because on a back clamp you only have about an inch or 2 in the back here to clamp, almost kind of like on the side here. I only have an inch or 2. The thing with side clamps, though, they are adjustable in and out also, or left to right. So about that, you're also able to fit, this is one of our screens from an auto press. You're able to put an auto press screen, which is a larger screen, onto one just by adjusting the side clamps. So I'm able to put that on there. So I'm getting left to right motion, which is a thing that you would get on a back clamp that you're not getting on a side clamp. You're going to get it to be able to move left to right. But we are able to move these left to right with the auto clamp. You can adjust them in and out either way, as long as you've got the contact on the side. The other advantage, they're going to be more rigid because you've got 2 clamping points instead of just 1. It's a big lever, as you can tell, as you're pushing down. So if I'm just clamping back there, I'm creating more lever, and it's going to let it move more. You can adjust that out on a back clamp when you're screen printing. You adjust your off contact and all that. It's just going to give you a more rigid base, though, if you have side clamps over a back clamp. Any auto press has 2 clamping points. It's either going to be the front and back or the both sides. And that's the difference between, explaining the difference between having side clamps and just a single back clamp. You've got more points that you're holding it, so it's going to be more rigid in there. The only thing that's moving is the pivot point on here. The screen's not going nowhere. That's the nice thing about having side clamps over back clamps. That's the reason why I think they're a little bit more superior. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and the like.